Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make shrimp pad thai. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you joining us from whatever platform you're watching us on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this channel and this video with everybody you know. Like I said, we're making shrimp pad thai, so let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We've got 8 ounces of pad thai noodles, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 large jalapeno sliced, the juice of 1 lime, 1/4 cup of olive oil that we're going to divide, 2 shallots minced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 pound of peeled and deveined medium-sized shrimp, 2 eggs, 3 green onions that have been sliced. Let's head over to our stove, start making this pad thai. Alright, we got everything over here by the stove. We got our mise en place ready to go. Shrimp, all the aromatics, the oil, the eggs, utensils to stir, and our noodles in the back there. Let's go ahead and focus on our pan and we'll commence cooking. And we have the sauce too. You want to make your sauce. I forgot to add this in there. You've got your brown sugar, your lime juice, and your fish sauce. You want to just combine those 3 together, mix it up real good, have it ready. Go ahead and place it right on into your mise en place, and you're good to go. Got our wok on about a medium-high heat. We're going to add half the oil. Let that get hot. All right, we got our shallot is fizzling in there, so we know the oil's hot now. Go ahead and throw aromatics in here, garlic, and the shallots, and I'm going to throw the peppers in there too, and we're going to stir this up. You want to just do these up till you start smelling everything cooking, about 2 minutes. All right, let's add our shrimp right on in there. Kind of separate them out so they cook. Get one side cooked, and we'll flip them over and we'll stir fry them. Alright, we got some color on these yet? No, we do not. So just gonna flip them over. They're starting to cook on one side. They're still a little bit frozen too, so make sure your shrimp are not frozen. You just want to cook them till they curl up nice and they get a little pink or orange color to them. So that's what we're doing here. Alright, we got some lovely color on there going now. Go ahead and add half of our green onions in there. I'm going to move the shrimp over a little bit to the side there. I'm going to put our egg in here and scramble that up, let it cook. This adds texture to the dish and also some more flavor. Let that cook. And throw the rest of the green onions right in that egg. Just stir that in. Alright, the eggs are getting pretty set, so I'm going to continue to mix everything together now. I'm telling you, this smells really, really good. The rest of our oil in there. Our sauce that we made up with that brown sugar, fish sauce, and our lime juice. Stir that all up. Now we've got our pad thai noodles that we've got here. You can buy these already made like I have. They're already cooked. All you got to do is add them in to the dish, or you can get them, you know, like spaghetti noodles, and you can cook them yourself. But just be sure to follow the package directions. I'm going to break these all up. Set them right in there. Turn the heat down just a touch. I'm going to stir all these in. You want to get this hot throughout. You want the noodles to be hot and they absorb some of the liquid and the flavor. But I'm going to go ahead and let this set for just a minute. And we're going to plate it up, make it look nice, take some pictures of it, throw in some really good music. You guys can listen to that while you watch the pictures go by. And then we're going to come back and we're going to give it a taste. So you don't want to miss that. Beautiful food, lovely music. Go ahead and stir this up just a little bit so you can actually see it for what it is. Everything in there. I got some carrots, some cilantro, peanuts, and some bean sprouts that I put in there too. But this is what it looks like with it all covered up. You couldn't see it really well, but that's exactly what we're looking at to eat. Get a shrimp here first. Beautiful shrimp. Tons of flavor coming off of that. Meaty shrimp. Make sure you take the tails off too. But meatiness of that. All different textures. You got crunch. You got smoothness. You got the egg in there giving some flavor and some texture. Carrots are getting it. There's our noodles there. Let's give this a bite. Yeah, the funk of that fish sauce with you got that sweetness of the sugar added to it really does make a nice tasty flavor in there. There's some more noodles. Another shrimp. Oh, there's a little heat in there. Should add some red pepper flakes in there. Give a little color too. I'm not seeing our jalapenos in here though. But I think I just got some of the heat from it. But I'm going to go ahead and take another bite of the shrimp, then we'll close out here. Yeah, it's my dinner tonight. Alright, we made shrimp pad thai. Recipe is in the description box, the first pinned comment. Printable recipe, print it off, give it to all your friends. Make this for dinner one night. You will not be disappointed. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of yourselves, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.